10 innovative off-road camper trailers for 2025. Going off-road means tackling places where regular campers just can't follow. That's why the newest off-road camper trailers for 2025 aren't just tougher, they're smarter, more versatile, and surprisingly comfortable for the rugged trails ahead. These trailers combine rugged construction with clever layouts, making it possible to explore remote spots while still having space to cook, sleep, and recharge. Take the Boreas XT camper trailer for example. Its composite fiberglass interior, lifted axle-less suspension, and all-terrain tires make it ready for everything from rocky paths to muddy stretches. Then there's the Black Series trailers, which pack in features like pop-up roofs, outdoor kitchens, and built-in solar panels to keep you powered up off the grid. And don't overlook the Hive EX, a teardrop-sized rig that expands to reveal roomy sleeping quarters and plenty of storage, perfect for those who want a smaller setup without giving up comfort. These trailers aren't just about brute strength, they're about blending durability with smart design. Whether it's the modular interiors of the BRX teardrop trailers or the compact efficiency of the North America Conqueror UEV310, each rig on our list has something unique for off-road adventurers. In this video, we'll take a close look at 10 of the most innovative off-road camper trailers for 2025, showing you how they're redefining overlanding and boondocking. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future gear guides and camping tips. Let's get into it. Number 1 is Airstream Basecamp X. Let's kick things off with one of the most recognizable names in the camper world, and now it's tougher than ever. The Airstream Basecamp X takes everything people love about the Basecamp and gives it a rugged upgrade. You still get that sleek aluminum body and clean interior design, but this version is built to go further off the road. It comes with a 3-inch lift, larger off-road tires, and rock guards to handle rough terrain. There's even solar on the roof, so you can stay powered up in remote areas. Inside, it's surprisingly cozy. You get a wet bath, a propane heater, and heated water tanks, which make winter camping a lot more comfortable. The rear hatch is wide enough to load in bikes, kayaks, or camping gear, and the seating area turns into a spacious bed for 2. It's perfect for solo adventurers or couples who want to camp off-grid without giving up basic comforts. The Airstream Basecamp X is a premium pick that usually sells for around $54 to $58 grand. Number 2 is TAXA Cricket Overland. If you're into unique designs and smart use of space, the TAXA Cricket Overland is worth a serious look. This trailer was built by a former NASA engineer, and it shows. The exterior is lightweight but tough, with a steel frame and high ground clearance. It uses an axle-less suspension system that makes off-road travel smoother, especially on rocky or uneven paths. The pop-up roof and tent sides give you a surprising amount of space inside, and it helps with airflow too. It can sleep 2 adults and 2 kids thanks to a main bed and a hanging kids bunk. There's a small kitchen, built-in lights, and 12-volt power outlets. It's also prepped for solar if you want to camp off-grid. The best part? It's compact enough to be towed by most SUVs. The TAXA Cricket Overland delivers smart design and trail-ready toughness for about $45,000 to $50,000, depending on features. Number 3. Opus OP-4. Now here's one that combines tough looks with a fast setup. The OP-4 by Opus is a tent-style trailer that's made for adventure. What makes it stand out is how quickly it sets up. Just press a button and the air poles inflate the tent in about 90 seconds. Once it's open, you get 8-foot ceilings, big windows with skylights, and enough room to sleep up to 6 people. There's also a 40-gallon onboard water tank and a slide-out kitchen with a sink, stove, and space for a fridge. The trailer rides on heavy-duty suspension and all-terrain tires, so it's comfortable going down forest trails or rocky back roads. It also has a front rack for gear storage and room to mount extra accessories like awnings or bike racks. The OP-4 is one of the best options for families or groups that want an easy but rugged setup. It usually sells for around $36,000 to $40,000 depending on configuration. Number 4. Bruder EXP-7. Now for something a little more advanced and a lot more expensive. The Bruder EXP-7 is for people who want to camp anywhere on Earth, literally. This trailer is made in Australia and is known for handling everything from deep sand to snow-covered trails. It has an air suspension system that levels itself no matter how uneven the ground is. The inside is fully equipped with a modern kitchen, hot water, heating, and even air conditioning. It's built to be dust-proof and waterproof, which means you can take it through just about any condition and still stay clean and dry. The EXP-7 also packs serious power with over 1,000 watts of solar and an 800 amp-hour lithium battery system. That keeps your appliances and lights running for days, even off-grid. Everything inside feels more like a high-end apartment than a camper. Of course, all of this comes at a price. The Bruder EXP-7 starts at around $180 grand, making it one of the priciest options on this list. Number 5. Smittybilt Scout Trailer Kit. The Smittybilt Scout Trailer Kit isn't a full camper right out of the box, but that's what makes it great for DIY fans. This trailer gives you a solid base to build your own overland rig. It's made with a steel frame and has high ground clearance, so it can follow your truck or SUV deep into the wilderness. The trailer includes storage drawers, space for fuel and water cans, and room to mount a rooftop tent. You can add a fridge slide, recovery gear, and even a small kitchen setup if you want. It's not as fancy as some of the others on this list, but it's practical and highly customizable. If you already have a tent and just need a way to carry your gear, this kit makes perfect sense. The Smittybilt Scout Trailer Kit is a budget-friendly starting point for serious campers, priced at around $5,500 to $6,000 for the base model. Number 6. Boreas XT Camper Trailer. Let's keep the list rolling with a trailer that's built to handle anything nature throws your way. If your weekends involve dirt roads, snowy mountain trails, or dry desert tracks, the Boreas XT has your back. This rugged trailer is built for all-weather adventure, thanks to a full composite fiberglass body that won't rust or warp over time. It's got a Cruisemaster CRS2 axle-less suspension and rides on 31-inch all-terrain tires, plus a full-sized spare in case you really get out there. Open the back and there's a full outdoor galley with a sink, stove, and big pull-out storage. Inside, there's a queen-size memory foam bed, LED lighting, and a max air fan to keep you cool during summer trips. And since it runs on a 100 Ah deep cycle battery with solar options, you can stay off-grid comfortably. With rugged construction and thoughtful design, the Boreas XT is built to last for years of exploring. This trailer is typically priced between $38,000 and $42,000 depending on add-ons. Number 7. Black Series HQ Trailers. The Black Series trailers look bold, and they don't just look tough, they actually are. These trailers are designed to take on deep forest roads, rocky terrain, and everything in between. Most models feature independent suspension systems and dual shock absorbers that handle rough travel with ease. You also get a full outdoor kitchen, a pop-up roof for more headroom, and a well-designed sleeping area inside. Some models even include a toilet and shower setup, so you're not relying on camp facilities. These trailers are also loaded with solar panels and large water tanks, letting you camp for days without hookups. Whether you're headed out for a weekend or planning an extended overland trip, there's probably a Black Series model that fits your needs. For all that functionality, the Black Series trailers generally range between $55,000 and $75,000 grand, depending on size and features. Number 8. BRX Trailer Blue Ridge Edition. If you like the teardrop style but want something beefed up for the backcountry, the BRX trailer is a solid pick. These trailers are built in Tennessee and offer a tough, compact setup with a strong steel chassis, 33-inch all-terrain tires, and a lifted suspension. What really stands out is the interior. You get a queen bed inside a fully insulated cabin with custom wood cabinetry. Around the back, the galley kitchen is well equipped with stainless steel counters, deep drawers, and room for a slide-out fridge. There's even a roof rack system for extra storage and a gearbox up front for tools or recovery gear. These trailers can be towed by mid-size SUVs, and they're small enough to go just about anywhere. If you're looking for a clean design that's ready for real off-road travel, the BRX makes a great fit. These start at around $25,000 grand and can go up to $32,000 fully loaded. 9. Conqueror UEV 310 Extreme. Now let's head to something made for remote adventures and long weekends. The Conqueror UEV 310 is a compact trailer that's built for true off-grid life. Originating from South Africa and now available in North America, it's all about smart storage and rugged durability. The trailer's steel body is powder-coated for weather resistance, and it rolls on heavy-duty suspension and off-road tires. Despite its small footprint, it sleeps up to 4 people. Inside, you get over 70 cubic feet of lockable storage, perfect for food, gear, or recovery tools. The 23-gallon water tank sits low for better balance, and there's room to install an on-demand water heater. Some setups include a slide-out kitchen, LED lighting, and even a chemical toilet. It's definitely a no-frills trailer, but it's solid and smartly designed. If you want something that can go far without taking up too much space, the UEV310 hits the mark. Expect to pay $33,000 to $37,000 depending on the final layout. Number 10. Hive EX Camper. Last but definitely not least is the Hive EX, a trailer that looks like a teardrop but opens into so much more. These rigs are small on the road but get roomy when parked. The sleeping space fits 2 adults comfortably with full insulation and plenty of windows. On the outside, you'll find a slide-out kitchen with a sink, propane stove, and storage drawers for cookware. There's rooftop storage, space for solar, and even an optional awning to create a shady hangout. The ground clearance is solid, and the body is built from durable materials that can handle scrapes from trail branches and rocky roads. It's the kind of camper that works well for long weekends or solo trips where you want comfort without hauling a massive trailer. The Hive EX is simple but capable, and pricing usually falls between $22,000 and $28,000 depending on the extras you choose. From lifted suspensions to all-weather comfort, these off-road camper trailers prove that rugged doesn't have to mean roughing it. Whether you're chasing remote trails or camping off-grid with the family, each trailer here brings its own blend of toughness, space, and smart features. The right pick depends on how you travel. Compact teardrops like the Hive EX keep things nimble, while bigger rigs like the Bruder EXP-7 go all in on comfort. Just remember to match your trailer to your tow vehicle and gear needs. Ready to hit the trail? Let us know your favorites in the comments below.